Hi there. So today, very excitingly, we are going to post our first piece of content to a new WordPress blog. What I've done here is I've set up a new install of WordPress. This is how it looks when you first install it. I won't go through the install process today, may cover that in a few weeks' time if we get around to it. But this is what WordPress looks like. The first thing we'll need to do is we'll need to log in here, and remember that's going to wp-admin. In the previous press up on Friday, I said that you could use /login or /dashboard. You actually have to do something in the settings before that will actually work. So you must use /wp-admin when you're logging into a new site for the first time. And I'm going to use my password manager here to log in as a demo user that I've created. So there we go. So you would just type in your username and password to log in those boxes. I did that automatically using my password manager tool, which is great. And what we're going to do is we're going to create what's called a post. So when you first install WordPress, it very much thinks that you're just running a blog and that you want to post news type entries on that blog. When you're first working around the system, and occasionally after system updates and things, you will get these little pop-ups which tell you about features of WordPress, and we'll just dismiss that for now. And a blog primarily comprises of a title and some content. So what we're going to do is we're going to just write the title will be my first post, and then in this content box here we will just write, as is traditional for programmers to do, we'll write hello world, which is the first thing any programmer ever does with a new language or a new tool, and we will also just write now. In the editor there are various different formatting things which I will explain in a future press up, and you'll notice other odd things like this thing called permalink, some things called formats, some things called categories, some things called tags. These will be explained in future press ups. For now we're just going to post a title and a couple of paragraphs of content here. Over on the right hand side in this box at the top, this is where we control publishing, so I can save a draft which won't publish it to the world but will enable me to come back and edit it later on. I can click preview, which will launch a new window and show me my post in a little preview window. There it is. So that's what people will see eventually. And there's status, so I can change it between draft and published status and other statuses that do exist. There's visibility here, so I can make this password protected, or I can make it private so that only logged in people can see this, but we'll leave it as public. There's also this option called sticky, which don't worry about that for now. We'll leave that as it is, and you can choose when to publish it. So I can set a publish date to be in the past or in the future, and if I set it to be in the future, then that will automatically publish itself when that date and time comes around. So we'll publish immediately, and we'll keep it public. So all I need to do now is hit the publish button. We'll get our little spinner to tell us that something's happening, and that will now be published. We get a little notification at the top to say post is published, and if I click view post, sure enough, there's the blog post on my new blog. It's appeared in the recent post lists down the side, and if I go back to the home page by clicking my blog here, you will see that both that the home page contains a chronological ordering of all of your posted content. So the existing Hello World post that you get when you install WordPress is there, and my new post is at the top of the list, showing everyone that I've written something new for them to see. Hopefully that there shows you how to make a very, very simple post in a WordPress site. So thank you. More tomorrow.